In this video, I am going to show you how to change your name on Etsy. First of all, go to the Etsy website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select View Your Profile. This will take you to your public profile page. Next, click on Edit Public Profile on the left side of the screen. After that, you will be directed to the profile editing section. Scroll down until you find the name field. Next to your current name, you will see an option to change or remove your name. Click on Change. A text box will appear where you can enter your new first and last name. After you have entered the new name, click on Save Changes. After that, your name will be updated across the platform. Your new name will now appear on your public profile, in product reviews, and in any communication with other Etsy users. If you have a shop on Etsy, your new name will also appear as the shop owner's name, and this is how you can change your name on Etsy.